In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Google Doc into a Google Form. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step clearly and simply, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently and confidently within about 5 minutes. To start off, open the Google Doc you are working with. This document should contain all the questions or content you wish to transfer into a Google Form. Take a moment to review the document and ensure all the necessary information is included. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good, you'll need to copy the questions or content from the doc. You can do this by highlighting the text with your cursor, right-clicking, and selecting Copy, or using the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C for Windows, or Command+C for Mac users. This prepares the content for the next step. Now, head over to Google Forms. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing forms.google.com in the address bar. Hit Enter, and you'll be directed to the Google Forms homepage. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account information. Once you're in Google Forms, you'll see options to start a new form either from a template or from scratch. For the purposes of converting from a Google Doc, starting from scratch is often the best choice to ensure your form is tailored specifically to your needs. Once you've created a new form, you'll see a blank form at your disposal, ready for a fresh start. Here, you'll start to paste the copied questions from your Google Doc into the form. For each question from your document, click on the form entry point, right-click, and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac users. It's important to paste each question into its own separate form. Entry to maintain clarity and organization in your form. After pasting each question, you'll need to choose the appropriate question type. This might be multiple choice, short answer, or one of the other available types. Selecting the correct question type is crucial, because it ensures that whoever is filling out the form will have a clear understanding of how to respond, and it will also determine how responses are recorded and analyzed. Continue this process for each question you have. Once you've pasted and configured all the questions, take some time to customize the form further. You can adjust the visuals, add a title and description, or include sections to make the form more engaging and professional. Finally, when you're satisfied with the format and content of your Google Form, it's time to share it. Click Send at the top right of the screen and choose your preferred method of sharing. You can send it via email, share a link, or even embed it on a web page. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to convert a Google Doc into a Google Form in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!